Welcome back. Now, recent changes at banks have made it difficult for some customers to conduct their business. As you'll hear in this week's edition of the Business Review, the customers are running out of patience. Here's Andrew Lately.
I can't do this online thing. I don't understand it. I have to use my sister. I have to take my sister with me whenever time I come to the bank. And I have a problem with my foot too, I can't come and stand in this long line. It's a bother to me.
That was Clifton in St. Thomas. He's complaining about the self-serve system, which requires customers to fill out a form and essentially complete transactions on their own. And he's not the only one struggling. Over in St. Anne, Justice of the Peace and businessman Anthony Charlie argues that customers in the parish are also finding it hard to adjust to the new banking normal.
True reality is that a lot of them can barely read and write. And they are intimidated by just going to the bank, much less to go and operate an ATM machine. This is grief.
The common thread across the parishes is that elderly people are particularly disadvantaged. Our news team spoke with a few senior citizens who argued that the change was too sudden.
Give us some more time, educate us, give us some more machines, put in the infrastructure.
There should be a priority for us, that when we come there is someone who will assist us to get through.
We're not saying that you're not supposed to go online, because we know that the world going online. But find a way to help the citizens, the older citizens like myself, and even some young people.
The self-serve system was always an option, but it has become more prevalent since the outbreak of COVID-19. Chief Digital and Marketing Officer at the National Commercial Bank, Nadine Matthews-Blair, told our news team that the bank is making adjustments to ramp up support at some of its branches. She also noted that NCB has dedicated special hours for senior citizens with priority access throughout the day. The self-serve system was implemented to protect staff and customers alike by limiting face-to-face interactions in branch and thereby reducing the likelihood of spreading the coronavirus. But as banks adapt to the changing times by introducing other ways to complete transactions, some customers are using this experience to signal attempts to move into a cashless system will be met with opposition if they are not shown how to use it.
They boast about how much $1 million they make, right? At the same time, we don't get a little interest from the bank. We have to stand up in the sun and in the rain when we try to get our money. They have us hooked. They have us hooked and they want to have us hooked even more. The system do not serve us as small business people, as a normal people and the person on the road, the normal vendor or whatever. It doesn't serve us in no way, form or shape. I say no, hell no to the cashless system.
Andrew Lately, TVJ News.